Time to plant the sweet potatoes. They don't grow from the plant. They grow from the slips. And you just gently twist it off. Ta-da! And I'm going to take some of these lower leaves off and just put it in sideways into at least a 12-inch container. And this is a 12-inch box, so it's going in here. And if you look very close, let me see if I can zoom in. That is right there, right there. There we go. Roots. And that means this one here ready to go in the ground. Or in my case, the box. I'm not putting it in the ground at my place because apparently the lady had the house before me. Even though it's been 2 years, she sprayed a lot and is still testing positive for chemicals. So a lot of my stuff is going in boxes or grow bags. And when you get a box from the store, don't get the one. I know it's tempting to get the ones that had vegetables in it, but they spray that too. Even though in 2001 they made it a law where they can't spray the boxes anymore, but they have 5 years to stop. And I don't know if they're continuing to do the vegetables and fruits, but like if you can get a hold of a box that had cans in it, it definitely, usually anyway, doesn't have the chemical spray. There's a larger chance that it's already been stopped. So, and I'm going to tape up the bottom. Don't forget to poke holes. And I'm going to leave it out. Instead of on the ground, I'm putting it up on my bench where it can get at least 6 to 8 hours of sun. And some of the leaves that I took off, do not throw these away. These are edible. You can eat them like salad, and they're delicious. All right, let's go start planting a sweet potato. I'm going to get another one. Hold on. Look at the roots on this one. You can't stick it in water for like 3 days and let the roots grow out, but since they are obviously coming out, I'm sticking them in the dirt. I've been waiting for the full moon, and it happens tonight. Look at that. I've always found it's your choice. I'm not trying to convince you. You do what you want to do, but when there's a full moon, it's the best time to plant root vegetables, sweet potatoes, carrots, potatoes, anything that's going to root in the ground. So I was taught that, and it always worked, so that's what I do. But you don't have to do it. I'm just sharing. Okay, well, let's go get this box ready. And the dirt I'm using is 50% topsoil and 25% manure and 25% sand. Mix it all up, and then you just make room and you push the slip in there. There it is. You push the slip in there, and it has to stay moist, but you don't have to water it every day. Just come and check it every day to make sure it's moist. And that's it. And it takes about 90 days, which will be around October, which is perfect because I wanted it for canning in the fall and freezing in the fall so I can have it during the winter and spring. So I'm going to go get the other box and plant the other one. All right, thanks for visiting. And my dirty hands. Peace and love. Happy gardening, everyone.